A Hindu man named Veerabhadraya boarded a KSRTC bus while donning a burqa, intending to benefit from the Shakthi scheme launched by the Karnataka Congress government. Shakthi scheme provides free travel for women across the state of Karnataka, and it's one of the 5 guarantees implemented by Congress government assured in the Congress manifesto prior to the Karnataka Assembly elections 2023. Veerabhadraya, who is from Vijaypura district, was discovered at the bus stop in Samshi village in Kundagola taluk in Hubbali, where this incident occurred. He also had women's Aadhaar card on him. When the villagers and passengers sitting at the bus stop became suspicious and demanded that Veerabhadraya take off the burqa, the truth was revealed. When he was pursued by the crowd, Veerabhadraya claimed he was wearing burqa with the sole intention of begging. He was handed over to Kundagola police station.